In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Suno AI account. If you've decided that it's time to part ways with Suno AI, or perhaps you just want a break, I'll guide you through the process step by step to ensure it's as smooth as possible. Let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Chrome browser on your device. Once you've got Chrome open, you'll want to log into your Suno AI account. This is your primary gateway to handling any account-related activities, including deletion. If you're not already logged in, you'll want to enter your credentials. And remember, make sure your internet connection is stable to avoid any disruptions. With your Suno AI account successfully logged in, next navigate to the account settings. This is often found at the top right of the dashboard as a drop-down menu under your profile icon or name. If you can't see it right away, look for icons that resemble a gear or simply anything labeled settings. This area houses all your account preferences and is where you'll find the options you need to manage your account details. Once you're in the settings, you'll want to locate the privacy section. This section is usually labeled clearly as it contains important options related to how your account and data are handled. Privacy settings often cover a wide range of controls, but what you're looking for today is a bit more specific. Now, within the privacy section, search for the delete account option. This might be nestled among other controls, so take your time to look thoroughly. It's imperative to ensure you're selecting the correct option to avoid inadvertently changing other settings. At this point, you should see an option to delete your account. Choosing this will typically trigger a series of prompts or confirmations. These steps ensure that the process is intentional and irreversible for security reasons. Follow these prompts carefully. They might ask questions to verify that you really wish to proceed with deletion or provide some insights or options to reconsider. However, if you're sure of your decision, go ahead and proceed through these steps. Once you've completed the necessary confirmations, you should receive a final notification indicating that your account has been successfully deleted. This confirmation could be on screen or you might receive an email. Keep an eye out for this, as it's your assurance that the account removal has been processed. And there you have it. Your Suno AI account is now deleted. By following these instructions carefully, you've ensured your data is removed in a secure manner. If you ever wish to return to Suno AI in the future, you can always create a new account. Thank you for watching, and don't hesitate to leave a comment if you have any questions or need clarification on any of the steps. Until next time.